You have to tell me when you're gonna start.
Start!
Wow. Can you start that over?
Why?
Anybody want a kid? It's free. Can you start over, please?
Anyway, let's go. Hurry up.
Can you give me a countdown?
3, 2.
I'm gonna can you in a second. Seriously, kid. 3. Seriously?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Wow.
3, 2, 1.
Today we're actually going to install the 70mm camera. We're going to be installing it into my work car and see how this thing actually performs in real world situations. So let's go. So front camera, back camera. This actually comes with a lens too. And what else? Oh, we got all our wiring. What's this? Okay. What's this? It's a bracket for, take it that. And wiring. That's it. Okay. And what's this here? That's my power. Okay. This is my cable. And you're filming. Okay.
Yeah, it's been filming for a while.
Nice. Okay.
Exactly 50 seconds.
Let's get this thing installed. This one they put acoustic seal in. I've never had that before. Ah, serious?
What's wrong?
Formatting successful. So right now I can see me right there. I can see the back, so I think I can also see recording off, cabin off. How do I see rear? Okay, so let's go back. Album, video settings, system, smart travel, parking. So let's go there. Actually, I'm just gonna go back. I don't need to record right now though. Why am I black and white? Ooh. Oh, that's cabin. Oh, okay, so that changes it. So the nice thing with this camera is you can see it's got forward camera, back camera, and cabin. As you can see, the phone. And so you can see the camera right there, which you can actually adjust if you need to. So you can see here, I can actually move it down. Oops. I just turned cabin off. I can move it up. I can move it down. I don't need to go down that far though. Keep it up a little bit. There. Same thing with this one, the cabin camera, and same with the back camera. So all your buttons are right here, so I can switch. So that's now my back view. That's hi. cabin view and the front view. You can turn your cabin off. You can turn the cabin back on. You can record off, and you can record back on. And if I remember right, I can't do anything right now because it's recording. You got a power button on the side, and you have a SIM card. So for all you adventurers, if you want to, you can film off of this, pull the card out, load it into your computer, upload it into YouTube, and you've got footage. Now, I didn't hardwire this one. I just plugged it in, ran the cord in behind the glove box, in behind, up, over, and to there. And then the back one actually just runs straight through here, through the back, there and back. And then I ran that one under the liner, up into the hatch, and came down. So that's the back camera. So very easy to install yourself if you don't want to do the hardwire way. You want to hardwire it, you know, there's a couple different ways of doing it, but this literally will take you, you know, it depends how meticulous you are. It can take you half an hour, it could take you up to an hour, maybe. I like to have everything nice and hidden and clean and everything put away. So I just want to make sure everything's tidy and looks professional. So now, this last button is actually your menu. So you can actually scroll through stuff, all your settings. You can, security parking, so let's go like that. Duration, collision detection, so let's go to collision detection, which is on. So it's got a lot of different things in the menu that you can actually go through. Oops, keep forgetting it's not touchscreen. Go to motion. Click motion detection, let's turn that one on. No parking surveillance cable detected. Please ensure the function after connecting the cable. So there's an additional thing that you'll need for that, I guess. Maybe that's that backup battery. But yeah, it's very straightforward. Hey Siri, text Rodrigo. Hey Siri, text Matt.
What do you want to say to Matt?
I sent a guy over to you guys for window film like we did in Delta. He wants to do something like that for his bathroom. So I thought of you guys and sent him your information.